Do you know this group? No, he's like, oh. All right, I got to make it cream. I'm going to try this, my last, let's see if this works.
Oh my god, he's trying to play to the mic.
Notice Tan Clan was a group in the 90s. It was a hip hop group. And they had a song called Cream, right? Cash, and what that stands for was cash rules everything around you. Cream, get the money. They were a 90s hip hop band, everyone knew. But what they said was, finances or money dictates everything they did. Money is a big thing in anything in the world. Not just 90s hip hop, but also in the allergy world. And especially in the food allergy world. Talk about Palforzia. Palforzia, $1,200 versus PB Fit, $8. And for years, we were getting the message that there's this big difference. Like, peanut flour is not peanut flour. Is that evidence? Is that science? Or